Simple tips to help you understand how to make money online. So you are having a hard time making ends meet and you need to figure out how to fill that gap. You have come to the right place because the following video will help you find ways of making money online. So take the time to read over it and get the info you need. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Organize your days to include specific work hours. Making money online is related to your perseverance in doing what you are doing on a regular basis. There are no legitimate get-rich-quick opportunities. You need to put in a lot of work each day of the week. This will help you to get better at what you do. Scheduling an hour can make a difference. As you can see, it can be quite simple to make money online. So whether you lost your job or just need some extra spending money, you now know that you do not have to get a job and leave the comforts of your home in order to make the money you need. You will be filling your pockets in no time. Student loan.